Welcome to Inside English, Chinese folktales in English. This video is guided in a few simple steps to help you enjoy the story comfortably. Step 1 gently opens the story. Step 2 lets you listen to a peaceful tale from long ago. Step 3 introduces a few easy English expressions. Step 4 shares the quiet wisdom behind the tale. Step 5 closes with one warm English line for your day. Take a deep breath and let the story begin.
Step 1.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Chinese folktales in English. I'm Sophia.
And I'm William. It's so nice to see you here again.
How are you today? Are you feeling tired? Maybe a little stressed?
Well, you came to the right place. We're here to share a beautiful story with you.
Yes, today's story is very special. It's about love, it's about courage, and it's about a choice that changed everything.
Oh, I love stories like this. They make my heart feel warm.
Me too. This story is called The Butterfly Lovers. It's one of the most famous folk tales in China.
Have you ever heard of it before? Maybe you have. It's a story that people tell again and again.
Because it touches our hearts. It reminds us that love is strong, love is brave, love never ends.
That's beautiful. And today, we're going to tell this story in simple English, so everyone can understand, everyone can feel it.
Yes, we want you to relax. Just listen. Let the story carry you away.
You know, Sophia, I think everyone has a story about love. Maybe it's about family. Maybe it's about a friend.
That's true. Love is everywhere. And sometimes love asks us to be brave. Have you ever needed to be brave for someone you love?
Good question. I think we all have. Maybe we spoke up. Maybe we made a difficult choice.
Exactly. Today's story is about two people who were very brave. They chose love, even when it was hard.
And their love became a legend, a story that never dies.
This story happened long ago in ancient China, in a time when life was simple, when people lived close to nature.
Yes, in those days, the moon was brighter, the stars were clearer, and stories were passed from heart to heart.
So, are you ready? Let's begin. Close your eyes if you want, take a deep breath, and let's enter the world of the butterfly lovers.
Here we go. Let the magic begin.
Step 2.
Now, let's listen to the story. Just relax and enjoy the tale.
Long, long ago, in a small village in China, there was a young woman. Her name was Yingtai.
Yingtai loved to read. She loved to learn. But in those days, women could not go to school.
So Yingtai made a plan. She dressed like a man. She cut her hair short, and she went to study in the city.
Her parents were worried, but they let her go. They knew she had a strong spirit.
On the way, she met a young man. His name was Liang Shanbo.
Shanbo was kind. He was gentle. He loved books, just like Yingtai.
They became friends very quickly. They studied together. They talked about poetry. They walked under the moonlight.
Yingtai did not know that Shanbo was a woman. He only knew that she was his best friend.
He thought, I have finally found someone who understands me.
3 years passed. They laughed together. They learned together. Their friendship grew deeper and deeper.
Every day, they sat by the river. Every night, they looked at the stars.
But one day, Yingtai received a letter from home. Her father said, "Come back now. You must get married."
Yingtai was sad. She didn't want to leave, but she had to go.
Before she left, she said to Shanbo, "I have a younger sister. She's very kind. I think you will like her."
Shanbo smiled. Really? Maybe I can meet her someday.
Yingtai looked at him. Her heart was full of sadness. "Yes, please come visit."
She wanted to tell him the truth, but she couldn't find the words.
Months later, Shanbo went to visit Yingtai's home. He wanted to meet her sister.
But when he arrived, he saw the truth. There was no sister. Yingtai was a sister. Yingtai was a woman.
Yingtai was surprised, but then he understood. He had loved her all along. He just didn't know it.
Yingtai, he said, I want to marry you. Will you be with me?
Yingtai looked at him with tears in her eyes. I want to, but I can't. My father already chose someone for me.
Shanbo felt his heart break. Then what can we do?
Yingtai held his hand. I will wait for you. I will always wait for you.
But Shanbo became very sick. His heart was too sad. He could not eat, he could not sleep.
Day by day, he became weaker. His friends tried to help, but nothing worked.
And soon he died. He died of a broken heart.
When Yingtai heard the news, she cried and cried. She went to his grave.
It was her wedding day, but she did not go to her wedding. She went to Shanbo instead.
She stood in front of his grave. The wind was blowing, the sky was gray.
She wore her red wedding dress, but her heart was empty.
Shanbo, she said, I'm here. I'm finally here.
Suddenly, the sky became dark. Thunder roared. The grave opened.
Yingtai did not run away. She walked toward the grave. She walked inside.
And then something magical happened. 2 butterflies flew out from the grave.
One butterfly was blue. One butterfly was white. They flew together. They danced together.
Their people say those butterflies were Shanbo and Yingtai. They were finally together.
Their love became eternal. It never ended. It became a story that we still tell today.
What a beautiful story.
Yes, it makes me cry every time.
Step 3.
Now, let's look at a few expressions from the story. They help us feel the story a little more.
Yes, we chose 5 expressions for today. They're simple, but very powerful.
The first one is long, long ago. We use this to start a story. It means the story happened a very long time in the past.
Right. In Korean, it's like 옛날 옛적에. It helps us enter the world of the story.
You can use it too. For example, long, long ago, I met my best friend. It sounds magical, doesn't it?
It does. It makes everything feel special, like you're opening a book of memories.
Exactly. Okay, the second expression is became friends. It means 2 people started to be friends.
In the story, Yingtai and Shanbo became friends very quickly. They liked each other right away.
You can say, we became friends in school, or we became friends at work.
It's different from are friends. Became friends shows the moment when friendship begins.
Simple, right? Next one is broken heart. This means you feel very, very sad because of love.
Yes, Shanbo had a broken heart. He loved Yingtai, but he couldn't be with her.
We all know this feeling, right? When something hurts our heart deeply.
You can say, I had a broken heart when she left. It's a strong feeling.
And it's not just about romantic love. You can have a broken heart when you lose someone important.
The fourth expression is wait for you. This means you stay and hope someone will come back.
Yingtai said, I will wait for you. She wanted to be with Shanbo, no matter how long it took.
You can say, I'll wait for you at the cafe, or I'll wait for you to finish.
It shows patience. It shows love.
Yes, waiting is not easy, but when you love someone, you wait.
And the last one is flew together. It means 2 things moved in the air at the same time.
The butterflies flew together. They were free. They were finally happy.
You can say the birds flew together across the sky.
Or we flew together in our dreams. It's a very poetic expression.
I love that. So those are our 5 expressions today.
Long, long ago, became friends, broken heart, wait for you, flew together.
Try to use them this week. See how they feel in your life.
Yes, let them become part of your English.
Step 4.
Now, let's think about the meaning of the story. It still speaks to us today.
Yes, this story is more than just a sad love story. It has a deep meaning.
In Chinese culture, butterflies are very special. They represent freedom. They represent the soul.
So when Shanbo and Yingtai became butterflies, it means their love was set free.
Exactly. No one could control them anymore. They were together forever.
And I think that's beautiful. Love doesn't always happen the way we want, but it never really ends.
That's true. This story teaches us that love is stronger than anything, stronger than rules, stronger than death.
Wow, that's powerful.
And there's another lesson here. Yingtai was very brave. She went to school, even though women were not allowed.
She followed her heart. She wanted to learn. She didn't let society stop her.
Yes, and that courage is still important today. We all have dreams. We all have things we want to do.
Sometimes people say, you can't do that, but we have to be brave, like Yingtai.
Right. She changed herself on the outside, but on the inside, she stayed true to who she was.
And Shanbo? He was kind. He was gentle. He didn't judge people.
He loved Yingtai for who she was inside, not for how she looked or what others expected.
That's a lesson too. True love sees the heart. It sees the soul.
You know, in China, people still visit places connected to this story. They bring flowers, they pray for love.
Really? That's amazing. So the story is still alive today.
Yes, it reminds people that love is precious, that we should treasure the people we love.
So what can we take from this story today?
I think we can remember to be brave, to follow our hearts, to love deeply.
And to believe that love never ends. It changes form, maybe, but it's always there.
Yes, like butterflies flying in the sky, free and beautiful.
I feel so moved right now.
Me too. This story always touches me.
Let's carry this feeling with us today.
Step 5.
Now, let's close the story with one simple line. Keep it in your heart today.
Yes, from all the expressions we learned, we want to give you one special sentence.
This is today's English line. It's simple, it's beautiful, and it comes from the heart of the story.
Are you ready? Here it is.
Love never ends.
Love never ends.
That's it. Just 4 words, but so much meaning.
This sentence is true for Shanbo and Yingtai, and it's true for all of us.
When we love someone, that love stays in our hearts. It doesn't disappear.
It might change. We might not see that person anymore, but the love is still there.
Like butterflies in the sky, always flying, always free.
So today, remember this line. Love never ends.
Say it to yourself. Think about the people you love and feel grateful.
Yes, let this story remind you that love is the most powerful thing in the world.
It can cross mountains. It can cross oceans. It can even cross time.
Nothing can stop true love. Not distance, not rules, not even death.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope this story brought you peace.
We hope it made you feel something beautiful.
And we hope you'll come back next time for another Chinese folktale.
Until then, take care of your heart, be kind to yourself, and remember our line.
Love never ends.
Thank you for joining us today. We're so happy to share this magical Chinese folktale with you. See you next time on Chinese Folktales in English.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep loving your heart.
Goodbye, and remember, you are loved. That's the end of today's story. Did you feel how the English sounded in the story? English is not about studying hard, but about becoming familiar little by little. Take this quiet feeling with you, and we'll meet again in the next story. Thank you.